Good evening friends, my name is Ashish Nandakishore Patil. Our today's video topic is what is array, and our today's date is 18th of August 2021. So today we are exploring what is meant by array, see the declaration, how we can declare an array, how we can print the array, and next how let's discuss the types of array, that is discuss the types of array, and next discuss the sorts in the array. So first of all, what is meant by array? So array is nothing but a collection of singular data types. What actually is this? Means array is nothing but, suppose why we use an array first of all. So suppose there is a data that is int where equals to 1. Next to that of is int where equals to 2. Int where equals to 3, int where equals to 4. So this is nothing but this can increase the space complexity of an project, and increase the time execution, means the time execution of an snippet also. So how we can sort this? So we can sort this is by using an array. So what's actually we can do is, so first see the declaration of an array is, so use that int subscript operator, that is called as brackets, a equals to in curly braces that take as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and curly braces complete. So this is nothing but the declaration of an array. So what is the, how we can declare an array? First take data type, that is int. Next to that of is take as subscript operator. Next to that of is take a reference variable who pointed towards an array, and next to that of is take in curly braces take take the data that is in integer. Suppose you want to create an array for a character, so you can simply take, that is char subscript operator, that is brackets, a equals to in parentheses take in single colon, in single quotes take a, in single quotes B, C, D, or I am Ashish. So this is nothing but the declaration of an array. So this is the first method, so that you can declare an array. So next to that of is next method, that int subscript operator a equals to new int of in subscript operator take the size that is given also. So suppose you declare the int size equals to 0 in initial, or int size equals to 10 in the initial of the project. So that size will be getting the in the array also. So these are nothing but the declaration of an array. So how we can print an array? So if you want to print an array is a array, so int array of a equals to inside the curly braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be there. So how we can print that? So for that, start let's get an for loop, that is for I equals to 0, I is greater than or equals to for I equals to 0, I is greater than or equals to a dot length. What is this a dot length is? A dot length is nothing but the length of an our array. So the how much elements which are present, that will be size will be a dot length, and next to that of will be increase I plus plus increment and our I, and next to that of is in sysout we can print a of I simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be print. So this is nothing but a print of we can, so that we can print our array. So this is so there are two types of array will be there, that is single dimensional array and 2D dimensional array, that is 1D dimensional array and 2D dimensional array. So what is actually 1D dimensional array is, so let's take that is int array a equals to 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as we have seen earlier, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and easily print that for I equals to 0, I is greater than or equals to a dot length and I plus plus, and you will be get the output in sysout separate a of I will be printing, and you will be easily getting that is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is nothing but a single dimensional array. What is actually 2D dimensional arrays? So 2D dimensional array is let's take as in subscript operator a equals to, in parenthesis, first parenthesis that is of 1 2 3, parenthesis complete, next to that of is 2 3 4, next to that of is 4 5 6, like that. So that you can having that array size array. And so for printing the array, let's take a for loop, that is for I equals to 0, I is greater than a dot length I plus plus, for printing array. And next take a for j of for loop, that is for j equals to 0, j is greater than a dot length and j plus plus. And in sysout statement, print that is of sysout a of ij, and in last line sysout print a of ij, and in after one curly brace, print that is sysout print ln, and you will be print your array in a matrix format. So the output of a 2D dimensional array will be in a matrix also. So these are nothing but a 2D dimensional array. So let's we discuss the sort. It is an insertion sort, which are there are some sorts which having in array, that is insertion sort, bubble sort, and selection sort, radix sort, merge sort. So these are the types of an sort which are having in array. So first we will discuss the bubble sort. Suppose if you want to sort the elements in the array, so what we want to do is, suppose there is an array that is int of array equals to 1 5 6 7 8, something like that. The elements will be there. So what actually is bubble sort will be do is, bubble sort will be work in pair. So what actually is, so it will check first that it will check the first element with the next. Suppose the first element is greater and next element is small, then it will be swapped with that element and the smaller element will becomes first. Next, second element is compare with the third element, and suppose the third element is smaller than the second element, so it will be swapped that element and the smaller element will be a smaller number will become second. Next to that of is when the suppose the fourth number or third number, so third number is smaller and the fourth number is bigger than the third number, so in that case it will be not be swapped. But suppose the fifth number is smaller than the fourth number, then in that case it will be swapped the number. So what actually is so bubble sort is nothing but it will be swap the elements in a pair by checking the smaller and larger element. So this is nothing but a bubble sort. So next to that of is a selection sort. So if there is an array that is of 9 8 7 6 5 4, so like that. So how an insertion sort will be done? So it will first check, I will be go from first to the a dot length minus 1. So what actually is this? Suppose it will be checked first when I will be goes, it will check who is the smaller number in that, and that smaller number will be swapped with the first number. So at the last 1 will be there, and in the first 9 will be there. So 1 is replaced by 9, means 1 is swapped by 9. So this is nothing but a selection sort. At the next, it will be get I plus 1. So it will be checks from the second element that which is the smaller number, and then it will find out that which is the smaller, and it will be swapped with the second element. So it will be work like that. It will work like this. So next, suppose the third number is smaller than the second. Note, in that case it will be not swap the element, and suppose the fourth element is smaller than the third element. So in that case it will be swap that third number with the fourth number. So means simply it will be checks that means first I loop will be going from from 0 to a dot length minus 1, checks who is smaller and pick that element with the greater or the first element of an array and get swap. So this is nothing but a selection sort, and insertion sort is nothing but suppose in insertion sort you want to insert the elements like that, means there is an array will be given. So suppose it will be work in backend. In back means element first we want to assume that the first element is swap and it store that element in the temp variable, and next to that of is check the elements of that I will be going and check the who is smaller and will be swap with the first. So this is nothing but a insertion sort. So these are nothing but this is nothing but an array, sorts, single dimensional array and two dimensional array. So thank you so much guys. Have a good day to all.